All right, guys, 2020 Audi S4. We cut off the small little bottle resonators in the front and the mid muffler, left the rear mufflers and the valves on it, and we installed an X pipe on this one. Factory converters up there somewhere buried. We took out the small resonators that go right here, and then we ended up putting an X pipe in its place right there. Reused the pre-existing piping and then cut out the mid muffler there, put 2 pipes there, and then ran it back and continued it into the rear mufflers there and there, and it comes with valves on that one and a valve right there, so we left those alone. So he still has the valves, he can still turn it to comfort, sport mode, and all that, still have a little bit of quietness when he wants it. And then back out the stock rears right there, right there. And there's the those are the small resonators in the front, and yeah, so there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, so I was off a year. It's a 21 S4. So I believe this is in comfort mode right now. I'll have them switch over to sport mode, but this is sound decibels, comfort, 90. Let you guys hear on the inside. (2021) Audi S4. Then X pipe and then mid muffler bleed. Left the rears and the valves on.